Hello guys, and welcome to our first Keyslide tutorial. So first things first, go to the app and log in using your email and password. Here's where all your teams will be available. Of course, you should just see the Create Team button, so let's click it. We're now going to create our first team. Let's click on the blue button. Here you can name your team. Then you should be able to choose one or more packages. Each one of these will give you access to different features within the app. You can also change if you'd like to pay annually or monthly. Keep in mind that annual payments are 25% off. You can then define how many team members will be able to collaborate and how much storage will be available to your team. The app will ask for your credit card information, and then you can redeem any discount coupon you might have. Finally, if you want, you can invite other users to collaborate on your team. You can also watch the tutorial. Alright, we should now be back on the team selection screen and we should see our new team. Let's click on it. Now we're on the dashboard. Here's where all your presentations are located. But you also have this. They're called channels, and you can create as many as you want. Channels are used to organize your presentations by topics. You can even have control over which channel is private or public to the rest of the team. Think of channels as folders on your computer. So now we have a general channel and a sales channel. Each one of them will only have presentations that were created there. Okay, so let's create our first presentation. Select a template. We can then choose whether we'd like to import our own presentation or use Keyslide to create one. We'll choose Keyslide. We're all set. Let's click Finish. We should now be on the editor. Everything you write here is automatically translated into slides. You can change the design styles of your current slide using those little squares on top of the slide preview. Everything gets redesigned by itself automatically. To the left, you have the content sidebar. Here you can search for images. We'll always show you high quality free photos for you to use on your slides. Click on the one you like and press Insert. As you can see, the image is automatically inserted as background, and if you change the style, it also gets redesigned. Go on, you can add as many slides as you want. Oh, and did we mention? We also have animated GIFs. We have more than you could even imagine. So what about videos? Well, it's really easy to use videos too. Just select the second icon to the left of the content sidebar and paste a YouTube or Vimeo link. Then press Insert, and that's it. If you press the preview button at the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to see your slides just like the audience will. You can even define a timer to help you practice your pitch. And if your team has the Interact package, your team and your audience will be able to leave comments right on your slides. You'll also have the ability to create interactive polls and even attach documents. The audience will be able to interact with your presentation right from their phones. So now that we're done with our presentation, let's share it with the world. Here you can define different rules for your shared links, as we call them. You can create a password or define a code for people to access your presentation without the need of a link. Let's click Generate. This will create a unique URL for your presentation. If you go to Keyslide's website and you use your previously defined code, you'll gain access to the presentation right away without any software installation requirement at all. Everything just works. And if you don't want to use a code, you can always just share the URL with your friends on social networks WhatsApp, and more. We really hope you love using Keyslide as much as we do creating it.